front of me is HAFURY Note 10, and let me show you how to change SIM to your PIN card. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select security and location, scroll down a bit, go to the advanced and mark SIM card lock. And here you can smoothly change your PIN by tapping on change SIM PIN, enter the current one, tap on OK, and then enter a new one. Tap on confirmation mark or OK, and then re-enter it. Okay, so one more time, 25080, confirmation mark, OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.